Yes, and that's why we are joined by Kausar Munir, someone who is known for writing deep emotional songs. She's the one who has written the anthem. Also joining us is Javed Ali, the soulful voice behind this anthem. Kausar, thank you so much for joining us. When you heard the brief, what was that one thing that inspired you to write this? Tell us about that, please.
So before the brief, I'd like to talk about the fact that I was very happy to be attached with these two very valuable and prestigious brands, which is NDTV and Dettol, not just for the kind of name that they have, but the work that they do, the values that they stand for. And of course, the brief was fairly simple, but वही simple चीजें जो होती हैं वही जाके बड़ी क्या कहते हैं धारणाएं बनती हैं, campaigns बनते हैं. And to keep yourself clean, to have basic hygiene, to keep your hands clean. Brief was pretty simple that, you have to spread the message that, when you start keeping yourself healthy and clean is when the whole community and perhaps the nation itself prospers. So, हाँ.
तो आर्ट चाहे वो डांस हो, म्यूजिक हो या पेंटिंग, हमें बेहतर और हेल्दियर हैबिट्स कैसे डेवलप करती हैं? हम में से बहुत लोग म्यूजिक के साथ चीज़ों से जुड़े हैं और उन्हें याद रख पाते हैं.
बिल्कुल. और जो म्यूजिक है, किसी भी तरह की कला है, बट खास तौर से म्यूजिक, क्योंकि वो तो एक साइकोलॉजिकली भी प्रूवन है कि वो दिमाग में रह जाता है. इट काइंड ऑफ रिवायर्स योर ब्रेन एंड देन इट बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ योर memory, hard disk. So it's wonderful that NDTV and Dettol decided to make an anthem for this campaign, so that even though, it may sound really simple, कि हाथ धो, wash your hands, stay clean. But if you really strip it down, it's such a simple but powerful message. If in our hands and in our person and in our thoughts and in our deeds we are clean, it kind of, that does it. So to be able to put that into a song, to put that into an anthem, was fun, but it was also hard, क्योंकि जितनी सरल चीज होती है उतनी मुश्किल होती है. It's easier to do big difficult winding things, but to be like I am being right now, but to be precise and to be kind of convey something within the parameters of a song, of a lyric, it's hard. And I'm so glad all of us together have done I think a fair job.
Kausar, you've received a lot of recognition for your work in the hectic schedule of the film industry. How do you balance creativity with your well-being? In fact, how do you balance self-care while managing the demands of your career? Because we have been talking about self-care, which is an integral part of everyone, but especially for women, because very often women kind of forget themselves. So Kausar, that's for you especially, I wanted to know.
It may sound like a cliche, but you're absolutely right. Women, whether it's in their homes or in their workspaces, they tend to be the first respondents, as you were, caregivers. And even if we're not talking about disease or illness, just kind of you kind of respond to a situation with a feeling of trying to take care of others and trying to keep things equanimous. तो जाहिर है कि उसमें क्या होता है, you kind of lose some sort of a grip or handle on how you're doing and how you're keeping. So I feel it has to be a practice. Any good habit has to be a practice. One has to get out of the mindset of that, taking care of yourself is selfish or self-centered. It is really, really important. And it's also important if you want to take care of people around you. I remember मेरी दादी वो कहती थी कि खुद का ख्याल रखना social service. And I feel it makes a lot of sense, because if you are kind of healthy and happy and strong, you'll be able to bring that energy and those resources to people you love and the community at large.